If you've ever needed to make quick changes to a PDF without paying for expensive software, this tutorial is for you. In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit a PDF in LibreOffice Draw, step by step, so you can open a PDF, change text, adjust images, and make simple edits with ease. This is a super useful method for anyone who wants a free way to work with PDF files, especially if you only need to fix a name, update a detail, or make a few small changes. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open LibreOffice on your computer. If you don't already have it installed, you can download it for free. But once it's ready, launch the program just like you would with any other app. When LibreOffice opens, look at the top menu and click File. This is where you'll find the option to open an existing document or file. From the File menu, click Open. A file browser window will appear, and this is where you can locate the PDF you want to edit. Find the PDF on your computer, click on it once to select it, and then open it. LibreOffice will import the PDF into LibreOffice Draw automatically. That's the key part here, because Draw is the part of LibreOffice that lets you work with PDF content like an editable page layout instead of just viewing it. Once the PDF opens, you can start making changes. If there is text on the page, click directly on the text area you want to edit. In many cases, LibreOffice Draw will let you select and modify the text box so you can update words, numbers, or other details. If you need to change an image, click on the image itself and try moving, resizing, or replacing it depending on what you need. You can also use the toolbar at the top to make basic edits like adjusting position, changing formatting, or modifying objects on the page. This makes it really handy for simple corrections and small updates. Now, one important thing to keep in mind is that PDF files with complex layouts may not stay perfect after editing. If the document has a lot of columns, special fonts, layered graphics, or advanced formatting, the layout may shift a little when it opens in Draw. So for best results, use this method for basic edits, simple forms, and straightforward documents. As you work, zoom in if needed so you can select items more accurately. Take your time checking each section of the page before making changes, especially if there are multiple text boxes or overlapping elements. Once you're done editing, go to File again and choose Save, as if you want to keep the edited version separately. That's often the safest option because it preserves your original PDF in case you need it later. You can then choose the file type you want or simply save the updated file based on the options available in your version of LibreOffice. Before we finish, remember that LibreOffice Draw is best for quick, practical PDF edits, not for rebuilding highly designed documents from scratch, but for a free tool, it's incredibly useful and can save you a lot of time. So to recap, open LibreOffice, click File, click Open, select your PDF, let it open in LibreOffice Draw, click on the text or image you want to edit, use the toolbar to make your changes, and then save your updated file. If this tutorial helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more step-by-step guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.